Really? Wow, a nail art competition. Count me in.
Where's this candy? Sue, have you seen it? Sue? Hey!
Sure, I understand.
Sue, I bet you've eaten my candy. I see through your pretense. Oh, come on.
Thank you again. I'll be there.
Sue! Ah! Sue, I'm asking one last time. Where is my candy? You will tell me.
Watch out! Gotcha! Oh, Sammy, you won't believe where I'm invited.
Sue, I'm getting to dizzy. Let me go.
Oh, I gotta get ready.
And tell me, where is my candy?
Everything I need is in this awesome nail kit. And I really love these accessories. They're so cute, don't you think? I can't wait to see what's inside. Let's dig in. The first item is a box with paper tissues. Oh, look, I can easily pull them out. And what's this? Ah, different nail designs. Cool. Next, we have hand cream, a nail file, and a base coat.
Hi! Oh, I see I can get a manicure here.
Huh? Oh no, there's a mistake. It's not a nail salon, dear.
Meh, whatever.
Why did she have to come now when I'm so busy? Anyway.
Everyone needs a manicure. Aha! I've got an idea.
Okay, I'm ready for practice. I'm a bit nervous. Oh, I got it. I'll be using these hands for training. These nails look bizarre, but it's not an issue for a pro. First, a small questionnaire. Let's see what we've got here. Basic manicure with nail polish and design of medium difficulty. And of this shape. First things first, hand sanitizing. Let me use these tissues to wipe off excess liquid.
Hello! I've come to get a free manicure. I was given this address. Is this the right place?
Free manicure? Huh, where did you hear about that?
Ooh, can I have this nail file? Oh, they promote your salon. Over there.
They promote… Wait! Sammy!
Come closer, friends. Only today, you can get a free manicure from a real nail pro.
Did you hear that? A free manicure in the salon. Perfect.
Really?
Hey, Ken, how is it going? Is the pile growing?
You won't believe it, Sam. I've never seen so many sweets in one place.
Great. So after you get…
Sammy, what are you talking about? No free manicures.
Huh? No manicures? What? Hey, did you lie to us? What does it mean?
Ken!
Come on, ladies, we didn't lie. We just didn't specify the dates.
Yes, don't worry. You will all get invitation emails soon. Close call.
Ugh, Sammy, that mastermind. Anyway, I'd better get down to work. First of all, let's work on the shape. Much better now. Next, I need to file the nails to make them look neater. Lovely! I'll get rid of all the dust using this special brush. Let's choose the design. Oh, this one's cute. Wow, this is even better. Love this green color. Oh, and this too. But today, I picked this one. The first step is applying the base coat. Now, 1 minute in a UV lamp. Very well. Time for the design. Oh no. No. I'm starting to get nervous. What if I'll ruin everything? I really need to calm down.
Sue, I want to apologize. Hey, what's wrong?
I can do nothing, Sammy. My hands are shaking.
Hey, stop panicking. Just follow my lead, Sue. I'll help you.
I really don't think anything can help me.
Trust the professional. Take a deep breath. Then breathe out.
Fine. Breathe in. Breathe out.
Whoa, good job. Once again.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Whoa, you have powerful lungs. And the last time.
Hold on. Breathe in and out.
Oh my, that
Wow, Sammy, I do feel much better.
Yay!
Now, I can do anything.
Maybe I should launch my own calming courses.
I'm full of energy and so ready to continue. Aw, I love this design, but there's one very important step, covering the nails with the top coat. And 30 seconds in the UV lamp. The manicure with the design is finished. Just a bit of hand cream to complement this beauty and prevent skin dryness. Now, to the payment. Let's check if we have enough cash. Oh, that's pretty much. Certainly enough to pay for the manicure. Awesome! How about we take a look at how to make such a nail art kit? Soon, this will turn into a manicure bag. I just need to assemble it. Now I need to glue it correctly. See these lines? That's where the glue goes. Look at this cute bag, friends. Do you see what's missing? Right! The handle! Like this video if you want to have the same bag.
That's cool, Sue. But how about accessories? I've made a few for you.
Wow! Thank you, Sammy. Let's tie pieces of string to each one of them to hang on the bag. And the last one. Wow, looks fantastic. Next, let's make a brochure with nail designs.
Oh, I need to make a set like that for myself? Huh? Designs? I have to see them. It seems that Sue doesn't need my help here.
Oh, they are so bright. Which one's your favorite, guys?
Alrighty, while you are busy, I'll build the UV lamp. Okay, Susie?
Just be careful.
Sure.
Where was I? Oh, right! I need to put these practicing hands together. First, I need to align them. And then, I'll apply some glue right here. Paper clips will hold them together for me.
What next? I'm not an engineer. How can I figure it out? Okay, let it be. This way. Come on, stick together. Come on, come on, come on. Ugh. Ugh, it's heavy. Sue, fast! Check if it's correct.
It's perfect.
It better be. Ugh.
Yeah, you haven't made any mistakes. This UV lamp is built correctly, and now it's ready for use. And I'll start making the tissue box. Guys, if you don't have glue, you can use double-sided tape too. The tissue box is ready. How about testing it? Ha! It works!
Sue, do you have a wallet where I can keep all this money?
Oh, I almost forgot. Let's make a small wallet for all that cash. It's very easy. Here you go, Sammy.
Great, thanks so much, Sue.
perfectly.
I'm taking this with me.
It'll be safer if I keep it.
But Sue...
I know what I'm talking about, Sammy. Otherwise, you'll waste all the money on sweets. Okay, we can't forget about the base and top coats, and here's how it's done.
Hey, Susie! I've saved your time and made 2 more products. Did I do good?
Of course.
Then I demand my wallet in exchange for them.
No way.
Oh, come on!
Great! That's everything we need. Oops, I almost forgot about the nail file. Done. Oh, it really is the best nail file I've ever had. And here are the hand cream and hand sanitizer. Look, everything is ready for the first clients. We even have questionnaires and price forms.
Wait, Sue, you forgot the brush.
Oh, thanks.
So forgetful!
Wow, look at these nail art treasures, guys. Want to see them in detail? Deal! Guys, friends, look! I won the competition. They even gave me a medal.
Is that real gold? Wow. Good job, Sue. I never doubted you.
Thank you, Sammy. Thank you, friends. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
See you soon, everyone. Bye-bye.